What is up, guys? King Kirby here. Finally. I know it's been a long time, but I didn't like it either, but it happened. Finally, I'm back, okay? So let's go. And like 50 times this YouTuber who's my friend, his YouTube channel is Mr. Monkeys 101. Should check it out. Oh yeah, and also check out Hey It's Armand. That channel is good too. Okay guys, I'm doing an Amiibo unboxing to start this off. That's what everyone wanted. So Roy Famicom Raw, which used to be exclusive from Japan, and Reed. And okay, Mr. Monkeys 101, 3 will not take 10 minutes. I challenge you. Okay, wait a second. I'm gonna like take it. And by the way, using a butter knife is the only way I'm gonna do this. Okay, so screw you if you think I shouldn't use a butter knife. We're having technical difficulties. Okay, you know what? This isn't working. Let me go try from the other side. Okay, yeah, be right back. Zoom, 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 zoom. And I am back. There we go. I got it. And don't worry, guys. I am a master. I didn't think I'd do this and take this short. Jesus, no! Oh yeah, Roy. No, I'm just gonna like take that off at like the end. Because seriously, I'm just gonna like try to get through this. Also, by the way, I have a few videos uploaded actually to tell the truth. I went hunting with Kirby Plant Robot. I won't tell you guys anymore because that'll just like spoil it and then you guys won't watch the video. And then Mr. Monkeys 101 and his friend Jacob will just start like complaining about shoot. Anyways, they'll just like start complaining on how I don't make any videos. Jesus, dang, they packed this one really dang tight. I'll tell you now, this has been one of the most hardest Amiibos to unbox in my history. Okay, you know what? Looks like I'll just have to be doing like the same for here, I'll just move that over. Guys, I just gotta check and make sure this is live recording. Yep. See, told you. Mr. Monkeys, 3.5 minutes, 2 Amiibos. Look at that. It's not gonna take me 10 minutes. So yeah, by the way, always precaution when you're doing this. There was another Amiibo I want to box from one Amiibo hunt, but you know, I don't want to spoil, you know, just like the surprise of my, you know what, I'm just gonna like stop talking before I like actually seriously like ruin the video, just like I ruined this box, which sucks. Okay, you know what, holy. Okay, no, I'm just gonna like do it from under. Okay, you know what? Just like screw the box. I'm gonna actually seriously like damage the Amiibo if I do it that way. Yeah, let's go. That one was like so much more easy. Wait. Keep going. Okay. And there you go, real. Let's go. 3 Amiibos in what? 5 minutes? I gotta say, they really just like over-exaggerate his muscles and like his clothing. Seriously, just like the Title of Truth, they make him look like John Cena. No offense, dude, but they make him look like a bodybuilder. Okay, now I'm going to fix this. Okay, you know what? This is actually ridiculous. Nintendo, make your Amiibos easier to unbox, for heaven's sake! Come on! Okay, you know what? This is actually ridiculous. I'm gonna need scissors. Let's just like try this one. Okay, this one is only in metal, which should make it easy. No. Hey mom, can you hand me the scissors? Yeah, technical difficulties, guys. Also, I'm going to start doing like, well, I've got a whole bunch of things. I got a whole bunch more videos planned, okay? Just for like the record, okay? Just for the record, I'm gonna be way more active than I was before. If my mom lets me upload videos, that's the thing. That's usually the problem. Right, Mom? You only let me upload like one video a week. As just like... No, like a while ago. This is like my first video in a while, if you don't remember. There we go, guys. Let's go. What is this, like 6 minutes? 7? I'm not looking at the clock. I want to get up. I'm too lazy to get up. Let's go. Famicom Rob, Ryu, and Roy. I accidentally put that on this, but you know what? Who cares? It's going to trash. Who cares? No one. Okay, you know what? This is actually ridiculous. I got this in like what, March? So this, well, it's actually been like a long time, but seriously, that shouldn't be too much. Like, seriously. Okay, like that's it, boy. 3 Amiibos unboxing in just like what, 7 minutes? Guys, I'm gonna skip the taping part, because that's just gonna like take too long. Seriously, to tell you the truth. Okay, guys, dinner is ready, so I'm just gonna like stop now. I'm actually done. Mr. Monkeys 101, I challenge you to a YouTube off about. You'll find out in the next video. You get to watch it. Cut. I said cut.